Hello beautiful people, I'm Hui from SPG Quill. Welcome back to my channel. Joy. Birthdays are always one of the best occasions to send a loved one gifts. Fun fact, each month provides a unique and meaningful birth flower that can make the perfect birthday gift. If you are planning to do a card, why not consider to include a flower quilling that represents their birth month? I bet the recipient who receives it will feel extra special. During the month of October, for those who were born, two flowers hold the place as the birth month flower, the Cosmos and Marigold. Marigold symbolize fierce love, passion, and creativity. In this video, I will be doing step-by-step tutorials to guide you through the process. Without further ado, let's begin. Let's start with Marigold. Cosmos tutorial will be up next. So remember to subscribe my channel, please. And hit the bell button to be the first to get notified when a new video pops up. And if you like this video, click the like button for encouragement. Thank you. Before I start, I like to sketch out before I start quilling, just to have a clear idea on how the design will look like. Marigold's petal is ruffled and produce globe-shaped blossom. Then, I will decide on my color scheme. This time, my main color will be 3 shades of orange. First, glue 2 different shades strips together. You can click on the top right corner link to check out the playlist of birth flower tutorial videos that I did for the other months. Take out a quilling crimper and crimp the strips. I choose a narrower size for the inner layer. Then, fold the strips in equal distance to create some gaps for later on. When you are done, use a slotted tool, start quilling from the lighter color strips. Remember to let the C facing inwards. And glue the strips along the way so that it won't fall out easily. Leave a small amount of strips to join with the other strips. Now, curl the strips. This time I'm using the wider size. Now, do the same thing. Fold the strips. Join them together and now go around it loosely. So now you can see the purpose of folding the strip. It naturally forms like a ruffled edge of the flower. Do the same for 3 times. You can add on strips to make the flower bigger to give some variation. Now for the leaves, I will go with green-blue color. Quill some Marquise coil to form the leaves. Do click on the top right corner link to check out previously I did about how to perfect your basic shapes, and I include some tips and tricks as well. Now it's time to assemble it together. Rearrange them, and when you are happy with the results, just glue them in shapes and you are done! me on Instagram or Facebook to show me your version of artwork. I can't wait to see it. We still have some bird flower month left, but no worries because I will be splitting the video, so stay tuned. But how the happy time flies, now it's time to say goodbye.